It's actually 1:42 in the afternoon. We're about to get started. We're home. It's starting to feel like home too. Wait. We're doing the molding right now. We put it up, we started caulking. We're gonna tape everything off so that we could paint the walls. We're going to use a spray gun. Hopefully that's easier or faster. I know it's gonna be a messy job, so we've just gotta cover everything. I think I'm gonna try to finish the molding in the kitchen dining area. It's kind of therapeutic. There's a lot of work out here. It made me realize how trashed this property is, but it's fine. It's gonna get some love. But right now, I'm gonna eat something. I can measure from here to here what we need.
He turned my way. It's not me.
Okay, I'll be back.